Imagine stepping onto a battlefield where your closest teammate isn't human. It's a calm voice in your ear, a HUD in your lens, a motor in your suit. That future. It's not sci-fi anymore. It's rolling out right now. Let's start with the augmented soldier. Exoskeletons are already here, boosting load bearing, reducing fatigue, so I can carry more, move longer, and stay steadier under pressure. Pair that with smart optics, heads-up displays that overlay friendlies, hazards, routes. So I'm not just seeing the battlefield, I'm understanding it. Real-time tactical assistants feed me terrain, comms, threat cues, ranking options when seconds count. It's not about replacing judgment, it's about narrowing chaos. And training, VR sims, are getting scary good. I can rehearse missions with AI teammates that learn my habits and push me to adapt. So the first time I meet them in the field, we've already built chemistry. Now, autonomous companions. Drones have gone from eyes in the sky to full-spectrum partners, surveillance, jamming, resupply, precision strikes, under human authorization. On the ground, robots ferry ammo, scout tight spaces, mark routes, acting like tireless pack mules and point men. But power demands oversight, guardrails, rules of engagement, human vetoes. Those are the line between force multiplier and mission risk. Zoom out to the AI commander layer. Intelligence analysis is shifting from after action to before action. Models spotting patterns, predicting threats, stress testing plans, logistics, the unsexy backbone, gets smarter too. Routing convoys, timing maintenance, allocating fuel, all to keep units moving. And because AI cuts both ways, cybersecurity is a front line, defending networks from adversarial models, deepfakes, automated probes. That's now part of every op. Here's the interfacing challenge. If a system is brilliant but clunky, it fails. So designers focus on intuitive cues, natural language, gesture, haptic taps you feel through gloves. Trust doesn't come from hype, it comes from transparency and time. Show me why it made a call. Let me override it. I'll use it when it matters. And the kill chain question: who pulls the trigger when AI flags a target? The consensus today: a human does. That friction is intentional. Beyond the battlefield, this changes society. Some roles vanish, new ones emerge. Drone wranglers, data ethicists, AI maintainers. Nations race to innovate, and that arms race tests treaties and stability. Public trust hinges on ethics, clear policies, audit trails, accountability when things go wrong. So here's the reality check. AI won't choose courage or carry consequences. People do. The winners of tomorrow aren't the ones with the most algorithms. They're the ones who team them with humans, responsibly. The line between soldier and machine is blurring. The mission is making sure it doesn't disappear.